Now, you're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. The problem number 130 or 130. A pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its edges of the base, which is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to HP. So this is the problem and this is the final solution. So to do it in AutoCAD software, first you switch off the ortho grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. So here 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210. Then go to zoom or then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and give the distance as 297, and you take the cursor to the top side and take the distance as 210, and then you drag the cursor to the left side and take it as again 297, and then say close. Then go to zoom extents, zoom 0.6x now, and then go to layer, click on new layer, take the layer by name XY. Again click on new layer, take the layer by name axis, click on new layer, take the layer by name front view, and click on new layer, take the layer by name front view, hidden edges, and then go to new, click on top view, and then just click on new, take the layer by name top view, hidden. So then now we need to go to layer 0, line weight, all projector lines will be of 0.05, layer 0 contains 0.05, XY line is also 0.13, and click on OK. The axis line will going to be 0.05, OK. Then the front view will going to be of 0.5, OK. And the top view, front view hidden will be able to get around 0.3, OK. And the top view is for 0.35, top view is for again 0.5, OK. And the top view hidden should be of 0.3, okay. Then go to line type XY, go to axis, click on continuous, click on load, you go to center, you just click on OK, and again click on load, take the layer by name hidden and say OK. Now the axis will have a center line type, you just click on center and say OK, and the front view hidden should be of hidden line type, OK. And the top view hidden line type is also of hidden line type, and then you just click on the moment when you come to this, here the front view of red color and the top view is blue color. So the front view you just take it on red color, and the front view hidden should also be of red color, and then OK, and the top view should be of blue color and say OK. And the top view hidden should also be of blue color, and the axis line will going to be of magenta color and say OK. Then we'll just close it. Now we go for this solution. First we'll go for a polygon and number of sides is 5. Click on edge, you select this and take the distance as 25, and then go to line, take int of this and take midpoint of this opposite edge. Then go to line, take int of this and take the midpoint of this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, select this vertical horizontal line, and then go to offset, take the distance as 60 mm. So which you can see here, this distance is 60, and now here select this and offset this to the top side. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Similarly, line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, then go to erase this line, then go to fillet between this line and fillet between these two. then go to break this line till here, then you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take the distance as line type scale factor as 10, and then you just select between these two and you select here and you select here and go to layer, make that layer as front view, and similarly you just click on this and you take this and this and this and also this, go to layer, take it as a top view, and then you just click on the line weight display. Now you just go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position and then go to rotate. So now we are rotating by an angle of 40 degrees with respect to the horizontal. So you rotate base point, you take INT of this. Now rotate in a counterclockwise direction about 50. So you take 50 degrees, then go to line, take INT of this, and then go to line, take INT of this, and then go to line, take INT of this. Then go to line, take INT of this, and here then go to trim, select this and trim this entire thing. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take INT of these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select between these two as the cutting edges and these two as the object to trim. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal vertical line, and take line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we go for zoom window, you select these two, then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, INT of this, and then take INT of this and take intersection point of this, and then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this, and then go to INT of this. Then go to break this line till here, first point, take INT of this, go to break, select this, take the first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now once you do that, now we need to go to this, you select all these things. Now you just come down to all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You take these two and the surface edge nearer to the observer is visible. You just go to layer and click on front view or top view. Then you just select this line and you select this line and you select this line and this line and this line. So all these edges will going to become hidden edges. So you take top view hidden and you take the scaling factor as 10. You just go to this and make this as 10. So once you do that, so you're going to get this. Then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line, INT of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to zoom window, you select this and then just go to copy this entire thing and copy it to the next position. Then once you do that, then you just go to rotate this by an angle of 30 degrees. So we need to rotate by in counterclockwise direction. Then go to rotate, select this entire thing by crossing and take intersection point of this and you rotate this by an angle of minus 60 degrees so that you are going to get it for 30 degrees. Once you do that, then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line and take from this apex point and draw perpendicular to this. So this is 30 degrees with reference to this. Then you just go to this line. So you are going to get a fillet between these two. Then you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this. Then you just come down to that line, take endpoint. So on this endpoint you take, then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, and then go to line, int of this and take intersection point of this, and then go to int of this, and then go to line, int of this and take intersection point of this now. Similarly, line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, and then go to int of this line. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw intersection of this. Now we come down to the next portion wherein I need to go for the visibility and invisibility. So go to first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So you take this and you select this and you select this, and the surface near to the observer is visible. You click on this and you click on this. So then you take this as visible edges. So go to layer, click on front view, you're going to get this, and now you click on this line and this line. These two edges will automatically becomes top view hidden. So then the line type scale factor, we are going to take it as 10. So now, so this will be these two. So here you click on this and you click on this. Go to layer, take it as front view hidden. So now you just click on this line. So you just go to layer, make that layer as axis, and then you take this as 10. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Now you will just go to this and you just click over this, go to layer, make that layer as XY. Now we will change this, or now we're going to do the dimensioning part. So to do the dimensioning part, so first we need to go for DDIM, setting the dimensioning variables. So click on modify. So you just go to primary units, make the linear dimension precision as 0, then go to text, take the text height as 3, then align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, and take the dimension as 3. Similarly, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So you are going to get this dimension as 25. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, you are going to get it as 40 degrees. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you are going to get it as 30 degrees. So once you do that, then go to dim, go to text edit dimension, go to dim TED, select this and you take this here, which is 30 degrees. You just click on this and you take this here, which is again, you are going to get it as 30 degrees. Then go to detext. So here you and go to dim, you just come down to intersection part of this and you take INT of this. So here you will go to get it as 60 mm. Then go to dtext. So you click on this, take the height as 3, rotation angle of text as 0. So you type X, you mark it as VP, and you mark it as HP, and you mark it as Y. So then here you put the caps lock of A, B, C, D and E, and here it is O, and then here it is O1 in bracket. So here you mark it as O dash, and here this as A dash, and this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as G dash, and here this as O1 dash in bracket. So this as E dash in bracket. Once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you move it appropriately, and you move this X, similarly VP, and similarly HP. Now you move this A, this B, and this C, and this D, and this E, and here it is O, and here it is O1, and here it is A dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is B dash, here it is G dash, here it is C dash, and then here it is O dash. Once you do that, you just click on this, you take all these points which are all related to the front view, so you change that layer to front view now. Once you do that, now you come down to HP, E, A, O1, O, D, C and B. Then go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now we go for copy. So you just copy this A dash, and similarly this E dash. Then you go to O1 dash, copy this here, then go to B dash, and you mark this D dash here, and this as C dash, and this as O dash. So now we need to go for O, and that O will come here, and this O1, that O1 will come here, and this as A, that A which is here will come here. You come out with B, that B will come here. You come with C, and that C will be here. You copy this D, and that D will come here. You copy this E, and that E will come here. Now we go for copy. You select this O dash and this A dash, and you copy this B dash, you copy this C dash, you copy this D dash, you copy this E dash, and this as O1 dash. Then go to DD edit. So you remove the bracket for D dash, and you remove the bracket for E dash, and also you remove the bracket for O1 dash. So because since the base is visible, so all the sides of the base are visible. Since O1 dash is on that surface, so naturally that becomes visible. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing, and this drawing and this drawing is one and the same. This is how you will be able to complete this drawing in AutoCAD. Then go to zoom 0.6x. This is the final drawing, and we have already shown, we have shown all these things with a all these views are also being shown, and this is how you will be able to complete this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.